Are you tired of the daily grind of your 9-to-5 job? Dreaming of a life where you can work from anywhere, at any time? What if I told you I discovered a secret Python automation hack that made me over $100,000 in just 30 days through dropshipping? Yes, you heard it right. This single breakthrough changed my life and, today, I'm going to share it with you. Welcome to this game-changing tutorial on how to succeed in dropshipping with Python automation. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Before we dive into the secret Python automation hack, let's start with the basics. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products without having to maintain inventory. Instead, your supplier handles the storage, packaging, and shipping for you. This means lower upfront costs, reduced risk, and the freedom to focus on marketing and customer service. 1. Narrator. But here's the catch: to truly succeed in dropshipping, you need to stay ahead of the competition. 2. And that's where Python automation comes in. 3. Python is a powerful, versatile, and easy to learn programming language. 4. By automating repetitive tasks, you can streamline your workflow, cut costs, and make data-driven decisions, ultimately leading to higher profits. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, our secret Python automation hack. We've developed an advanced Python script that automatically identifies trending products on major e-commerce platforms. 1. Scraps essential data like prices, reviews, and shipping times. 2. Calculates profit margins and estimates demand. 3. Monitors competitors and adjusts pricing strategies in real time. 4. And the best part? This script is customizable to suit your unique dropshipping goals. Ready to put our Python automation hack to work? Follow these simple steps. Install Python and required libraries. We'll walk you through downloading Python and setting up the necessary libraries for our script. 1. Configure the script. Customize the script based on your niche, target audience, and desired profit margins. 2. Set up your e-commerce store. Learn how to seamlessly integrate your Python script with your dropshipping platform. 3. Launch your store and watch the sales roll in. 4. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you become more comfortable with Python automation, you can further customize the script to optimize your business. 1. But that's not all. We're also sharing our top tips and tricks for dropshipping success, including 2. Finding reliable suppliers and building strong partnerships. 3. Developing a winning marketing strategy. Providing exceptional customer service. Scaling your business for long-term growth. 1. Once you've mastered our Python automation hack and your dropshipping business is thriving, it's time to take it to the next level. In this section, we'll show you how to use Python to 2. Automate the process of discovering and adding new products to your store, keeping your offerings fresh and competitive. 3. Predict seasonal trends and capitalize on high demand periods, maximizing your profits throughout the year. Track your best-selling products and analyze customer behavior, allowing you to fine-tune your marketing strategies and promotions. Stay ahead of the curve by continually refining and expanding your product offerings with Python automation. 1. We all know that social media marketing is crucial for any online business. 2. In this part, we'll reveal how to leverage Python to supercharge your social media presence, including 3. Automating content creation and posting schedules, ensuring a consistent and engaging online presence. Using data scraping and sentiment analysis to better understand your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts. Analyzing the performance of your social media campaigns to optimize your advertising budget and maximize ROI. 1. Harness the power of Python to dominate social media and skyrocket your dropshipping business. 2. Delivering top-notch customer support is key to building trust and fostering long-term customer relationships. 3. In this section, we'll explore how to use Python to create a chatbot to handle common customer inquiries, freeing up your time for more complex issues. Implement an automated ticketing system to streamline your customer support workflow and ensure timely responses. Analyze customer feedback and identify areas for improvement in your products, shipping, and overall customer experience. Boost customer satisfaction and drive repeat business with Python-powered customer support. As your dropshipping business grows, so do the challenges. In this final section, we'll share our strategies for scaling your operation with the help of Python automation, covering developing a system for managing multiple suppliers and handling increased order volumes. Automating your accounting and financial tracking to stay organized and maintain profitability. building a team to support your expanding business and using Python to optimize your team's performance. Scale your dropshipping empire with confidence, knowing that Python automation has your back every step of the way. You now have all the tools and knowledge necessary to revolutionize your dropshipping business with Python automation. From discovering trending products to streamlining customer support, Python will empower you to achieve your wildest entrepreneurial dreams. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay persistent, keep learning, and adapt to the ever-changing world of e-commerce. As you master the art of dropshipping with Python automation, your business will grow, your profits will soar, and the sky's the limit. If you enjoyed this in-depth tutorial and found it valuable, please give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing about your experiences, success stories, and any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.